someone else, but not for me. Love was out to get me, that's the way it seems. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face, now I'm a believer, not a trace. Doubt in my mind, I'm in love, and I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing. Seems